This is part 8 of the video solutions for the coordinate geometry quiz review worksheet. In this video, I'm just going to cover part I here at the bottom of this page. And we want to determine what are the coordinates of E, the intersection of the diagonals AC and BD. Since we know it's a square, we know that the diagonals are going to bisect each other. So if we find the midpoint of one of those segments, that should be where they intersect. We're going to go ahead and find the midpoint of both just to verify that it's the same. So let's start with the midpoint of segment AC. So if you recall your midpoint formula, we're going to add the x's and divide by 2. So that's 9 plus 2 divided by 2. And 2 plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, I'm just getting that from these values of A and C that I rewrote from the first page. I added my x values and divided by 2, and I added my y values and divided by 2. Alright, so if we simplify this, we get 11 over 2 and 3 over 2. If you want to change those to decimals, feel free. So really, this is the answer to the question, but we want to just verify that we did it right, so we're going to go ahead and find the midpoint of BD just to make sure it's the same. So we're going to do the same thing. The x coordinates for B and D were 5 and 6, so 5 plus 6 divided by 2. And the y coordinates were negative 2 and 5, so I'm going to add those and divide by 2. And if I simplify, 5 and 6 is 11, so that's 11 over 2. Negative 2 plus 5 is 3, so that's 3 over 2. And in fact, it does match with what we found earlier in the problem. So this would be the coordinates of point E, which is the intersection of the diagonals. Okay, that's it for this part. We will see you in part 9.